Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are jumping straight into this month's plan with me for the month of March. I went back and forth on different ideas, but I just kept coming back to succulents. I absolutely love succulents, and I love the way that this month's spread turned out. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls. If you're new to my channel, or more importantly new to my plan with me videos, I use a happy planner with the bullet journal like pages with the dots so that I can do a few more custom pages that I need for my life, but also don't have to commit to a full bullet journal just in case I run out of time. I've been getting comments on these videos about the different variations that people do in their planners with the happy planner / bullet journal. Let me know what you guys do in the comments. I love hearing about what you guys do. It gives me ideas. So let me know in the comments down below. So I have been practicing like calligraphy and hand lettering, but I do it this way in my videos to show everyone that you can still do it even if you don't know how to do calligraphy. You can still get a very similar look by filling in the darker downstrokes after writing out your letters.
You got issues that makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah.
Then I'm just going in with my eraser and getting rid of any pencil marks. So for this month's habit tracker or habit trackers, I wanted to condense it down. The last 2 months I used an entire page for my habit trackers, but I needed some extra room this month, so I condensed it down and I'm just trying something a little bit different, and I actually really like the way this looks and the way it turned out, so I might have to repeat this one.
Sitting thinking in my car, I don't know what we should do. Do you?
going to be traveling in the month of March, so I wanted to add a brain dump section just to write down any little things I might need to remember that I may not have another place to put it, so that's why I wanted to add this section this month.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late night skinny dipping like we're on a own run. Got the words though, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words though, we were so young. Now you're long gone. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words though, we were so young. Now you're long gone. And I know time flies by so fast. Still I'm thinking of you. Do you remember still how we used to run?
Okay, so like I said, I am traveling this month, or the month of March, and I'm going to Florida for 2 weeks to visit family and friends and stuff like that. So I am making a page to specifically write out a checklist and things I need to remember for that trip, because when you're traveling with a toddler, you have to write those things down so you don't forget anything.
We were so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words though, we were so young. Now you're long gone. Now you're long gone.
So here I'm just moving things around to shift them over into March and then adding in the pages I just made. And this is kind of where I realized I wanted to kind of incorporate that pink color. I mean, after I draw this little growth tracker for YouTube, but then I realized I needed to incorporate that pink color into the pages I just drew so that all kind of tied together. So I go back and add some pink little touches to my pages. So in the past, I have used stickers and things like that to mark the days that I work for the month, but I don't have any more, or at least not enough to fill in the whole month. So I just used that same green color to kind of highlight the days. And you saw that I did not like the way I wrote the word work on the first spot, so I changed it for the rest. Sometimes that happens, you just go with the flow, it's okay. So to finish off the month of March, I just added my stickers off camera. I do a lot of flipping around when I add my stickers, so that's why I did it off camera. But I did the black to hopefully tie in that simplicity of the black from the bullet journal pages. Hopefully that comes off the way I was hoping. I really love this planner. I can make it very custom to what I need, and I've been really loving how all of this has been working out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have some ideas of what you would like to see, or maybe some themes that you might like to see, let me know in the comments down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave for future videos to come. Thanks, guys.